Good morning, student. My name is Rajsi and I am going to teach you GK class 6. This is your July course, chapter 8, question number 1. Which was the first newspaper published in India? And your answer is Bengal Gazette. Question number 2. Which is the oldest English newspaper of India? Hiki Bengal Gazette. Question number 3. Where in India the Tribune is published? ट्रिब्यून एक न्यूज़पेपर का नाम है, वो इंडिया में सबसे पहले कहाँ पब्लिश हुआ? इन चंडीगढ़. योर आंसर इज चंडीगढ़. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. विच पार्ट ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर प्रोवाइड न्यूज़ अबाउट रिसेंट स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स? स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स के बारे में न्यूज़पेपर में कौन से सेक्शन में होता है? एंड योर आंसर इज स्पोर्ट्स सेक्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच पार्ट ऑफ अ न्यूज़पेपर कंटेन न्यूज़ फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द कंट्रीज? पूरे कंट्री के न्यूज़ किस सेक्शन में होते हैं? इन एंड योर आंसर इज जनरल न्यूज़. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. वेयर इन इंडिया इज़ द टेलीग्राफ पब्लिश्ड? टेलीग्राफ न्यूज़पेपर इंडिया में सबसे पहले कहाँ पब्लिश हुआ? एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज कोलकाता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. विच वॉज द फर्स्ट बंगाली न्यूज़पेपर? एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज समाचार दर्पण. Question number 8. Asia's oldest newspaper that was first published on 1st July 1822. एशिया का सबसे ओल्डेस्ट न्यूज़पेपर जो 1 जुलाई 1822 में पब्लिश हुआ था, दैट इज़ बॉम्बे समाचार. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. द वीकली न्यूज़पेपर कैरीज एडवर्टीजमेंट फॉर जॉब एंड सेंट्रल स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग्स ऑटोनमस बॉडीज़ एंड यूनिवर्सिटीज़. जितने भी जॉब रिलेटेड न्यूज़ होते हैं वो सेंट्रल के, स्टेट के, वो कौन से न्यूज़पेपर में आते हैं, कौन से वीकली न्यूज़पेपर में आते हैं? तो करेक्ट आंसर इज एम्प्लॉयमेंट न्यूज़. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. विच पार्ट ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर प्रोवाइड इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन मूवीज एंड इंक्लूडिंग गेम्स, कॉमिक्स एंड हॉरोस्कोप्स? न्यूज़पेपर के किस पार्ट में मूवीज़, गेम्स, कॉमिक्स एंड हॉरोस्कोप से रिलेटेड न्यूज़ दिए रहते हैं? तो करेक्ट आंसर इज entertainment section. Now next chapter is chapter 9, World Class Entertainer. Question first. He was an American singer and actor known as King of Rock and Roll. And answer is Elvis Presley. Next question. An American singer, songwriter and dancer known as King of Pop. And answer is Michael Jackson. Question number 3. The English rock band formed by a group of 4: Paul McCartney, John Lennon, Ringo Starr, George Harrison. And answer is Beatles. Next question, question number 4. An English magician better known by his stage name Dynamo. And answer is Stephen Fry. Stephen Fry. Next question, question number 5. An eminent singer, dancer from Colombia. She sang the theme song at her latest FIFA World Cup, which became a instant rage worldwide. And answer is Shakira. Next question, question number 6. An American singer, songwriter and actress. More than 300 million records of a song has been sold worldwide. And answer is Madonna. Come to the next chapter, chapter number 10. In this chapter, we will learn about Statue of Unity. Here are some information about Statue of Unity. It is located at the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the Narmada River in Narmada district of Gujarat, India. Its height is 600 feet, that is 182 meter. And it's a tribute to India's freedom fighter Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is our first Deputy Prime Minister. He is known as Iron Man of India. It was designed by Ram V. Sutar, a sculptor from Noida. Cost of constructing the statue is estimated as approx 3,000 crore, that is 2,989 crore. The Statue of Unity was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on October 31, 2018. It is the world's tallest landmark. Here are given so many information about Statue of Unity. Read it carefully. Come to the next chapter, chapter number 11. In this chapter, we will learn about Nobel Prize winner 2019. Question number 1. The prestigious 2019 Nobel Prize for Economics. And your answer is Esther Duflo, Michael Kremer, and Abhijit Banerjee. They introduce a new approach of obtaining reliable answer about the best way to fight global poverty. Next question. Nobel Prize for Literature was backed by Peter Handke and Olga Tokarczuk. Third question. Nobel Prize for Peace has been awarded by the Ethiopian Prime Minister, and your answer is Abiy Ahmed Ali, for his work to bring an end to a long-running border dispute between his country and neighboring Eritrea. Just 3 months after taking office, he said he would hand a dispute border town over to Eritrea. In accordance with the term of long-neglected peace agreement from 2000, a few weeks later, Abiy and Eritrean president declared an end to a war between the two countries. Come to the next question, question number 4. The 2019 Nobel Medicine Prize was awarded jointly to this trio for their work on how cell cells adapt. And the answer goes to Sir Peter J. Radcliffe, William J. Kaelin Jr., and George L. Samanger. Next question, question number 5. Nobel Prize for Chemistry. And your answer is George B. Goodenough, M. Stanley Whittingham, Akira Yoshino. Question number 6. Nobel Prize in Physics 2019 was awarded for contribution to our understanding of the evolution of universe and Earth place in our cosmos. And correct answer is James Pebbel, Michael Mayer, and Didier Queloz. Now next chapter is chapter 12, Official Residence. First question, official residence of the President of US. Correct answer is the White House. Question number 2, official residence of British Prime Minister since 1735. And answer is 7 Downing Street. Question number 3, official residence of President of India. And answer is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next question, question number 4. Official residence of President of Germany since 1994. And is situated in Berlin Victory Column near Spree River. And answer is Bellevue Palace. Question number 5. Official residence of Roman Catholic Pope and a Bishop of Rome. Correct answer is Apostolic Palace. Next question, official residence of administrative headquarters of Royal Family of United Kingdom. Correct answer is Buckingham Palace. Now, next chapter is chapter 15, Adventure Sports. In this chapter, you will learn about adventure sport. And question number first, people jump from slow moving aircraft after flying a height of less than 10,000 feet. And correct answer is skydiving. Question number 2, people jump from high bridge, wall building or hills while attached to an elastic rope. And answer is bungee jumping. Question number 3, the swimmer go deep below the surface of water and observe underwater life. And your answer is scuba diving. Next question, question number 4. In these sports, people hang from a large kite-like structure. And correct answer is hang gliding. Next question, question number 5. People use a board with a small wheel. Answer is skateboarding. Next question, inflatable raft is used to navigate rough water, and your correct answer is rafting.